This magic bottle makes cheekbones higher. I give it a shake because it wakes up all the little glistening particles. I will put a little drop on the back of my hands, dab it with my finger, and then doing a smile, go on the cheeky bit here, just down from the pupil, dab, and then quick circular motions up towards the top of the ear here. Now, this can look as subtle as you like, but you can also build up the intensity like I like to do. So I've put one layer here, and you can see already, just with one layer, you've got this beautiful sheen going on that's really going to emphasize your bone structure and just make your complexion look like you've had loads of lovely facials. Dab on again, and it's the sort of color that, you know what, you can't go wrong with it. So you don't have to worry that you applied it wrong, because it just looks like part of your complexion. Now, you can see already how this side of my face is just looking more lifted and just a bit more sculpted. Now also, I'll put this on my eyelids. I think this colour looks really lovely on eyelids, and you'll notice as well, it gives the eyelids a sheen. It's going to make your eye colour pop and bring attention to the iris of your eyes. I also, you don't have to do this step either, but you can dab it over your lips. Perhaps you're already wearing lipstick, or if you're not wearing lipstick, just dab it over the top, and it just gives your lips a very delicate sheen. Check, I haven't got lipstick on my teeth. And I'll just dab this in the middle. So if you make more of a sheen in the middle of your lips are going to look a little bit more fuller as well. So I will quickly do the other side, and then I'll show you the finished look. If you want to find out more about this blush shade Glow, which is exclusive to my store Beauty in the Boutique, then you can click the link below and I show you a full how-to, and I also tell you a lot more about it. I think you're really gonna love it. I shall see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.